Hey everybody, so today is November 28th, the day after Black Friday. I went to Home Depot, grabbed a couple items, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I went to Home Depot. Today is November 28th, 2020. It is the day after Black Friday. On the previous video, I explained that I went to over 50 Home Depots. I believe it was like 60 something Home Depots yesterday. Several Lowe's, Tractor Supply, Cow Ranch, and all that. Well, I went back to Home Depot today. I went to two particular Home Depots today that I didn't go to yesterday, and I found what I was looking for yesterday. I found it at one of the two Home Depots that I didn't go to, which is not this. I will do a separate video on that. These items I picked up at the Home Depot that didn't have what I was looking for. It was like 20 miles apart from the other one. This was a Home Depot in Tempe. I don't go to Tempe very often. So I grabbed two of these folding pocket knife kits. I figured I'd give one to my wife, keep one for myself. And I also picked up this Fastback folding knife, which is 4822-1520. They also have this in camo. The camo one's $20. It's $19.98. This one was $14.97. I grabbed the cheap one at the moment. If I like it, I will grab the other one later. I collect knives. I also use knives quite a bit. I got two knives on me. I have a box cutter on me. Milwaukee ink pen marker and Milwaukee light pen light. But so I'll open one of these real quick. I'm gonna let my wife open the other one because it's a gift for her. Spring assisted opening for the non-serrated model. For added convenience, durable nylon composite grips. On the model with the serrated blade, it is Tanto tip. For piercing tough material, stainless steel blade with serrated and straight edge liner lock, secure blades in open position. And the item number for these is right here. It is David Whiskey Henry Tony 10617. Again, it's also on the back too. Makes it easier for you guys to see. David Whiskey Henry Tony 10617. They're the same kit. So here is the one with the serrations. It does feel nice in the hand. I do like these style pocket clips. I can't stand these wire frame belt clips. They say durable wire belt clip reduces pocket tearing. In all honesty, I've been using the 4822-1502 for several weeks now. This guy right here, the extra blade storage, And I've actually ripped one of the pockets because of this clip. Because it doesn't want to slide smoothly. Because I have on the pair of pants I'm wearing, the stitching is actually where the pocket starts. On one of the side pockets. This pocket right there. This pocket. It has to go over the really thick stitching. So, but I like these clips way better, and both of them have these style clips. The spring assisted one, the clip is a little wider. You can see it's a little bit wider. So the serrated one is not spring assist, but this one is a flipper. It's got a flipper tang on the back. I'm sure once I break it in, it will move a lot quicker. Moves pretty good as it is. There's that one. And this is this one also has a flipper tang, I think. It might be just the lock. Oh, yeah. It is spring loaded. Slide this lever down. This one is, I like the blade. This is just a regular non-serrated spear point style blade. It is nice. It works smoothly. And then I'll open the Milwaukee real quick, which is 48, 22, 15, 20. I also have the 48, 22, 15, 30 and the 48, 22, 15, 40 on the way, as well as the 48, 22, 15, 05 on the way as well. Those are coming from Acme Tools. Pop it out the box. This one's really light. The blade is nice and sharp. Let me move the light real quick. It's interesting. It looks like the blade steel is like, kind of looks like galvanized. Like a bunch of metal shavings were melted and pressed. That's what it looks like to me. I could be wrong. It is very sharp. It is very sharp. I don't know if you can see it. It did take some of my hair off. This one's not spring assisted. It does have bronze bushings, but it's not an easy flipper. This is going to have to be broken in. It's very stiff, and when it's closed like this, I'll show you guys. I have to do this, swing it to get it to come out. It is very easy in operation. It is very light. the button does stay pressed when it's open, I've noticed. And the button pops back out when you close it. Bring it into the light so you guys can see. See how the button's kind of pressed in? Just slide it down. The button will pop out. See? Those are the items that I picked up. These 3 are for me. This pack is for my wife. It is also nice that both of these knives actually have holes where you can put lanyards in them if you want to. I don't use lanyards. I always use the belt clips. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me today. Just figure I'd show you these items that I picked up. I will also show you the other item on a different video because this video has already been 10 minutes and I don't want the other video to be extremely long either. So I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I will give a review down the road. I know I'll put a card up here for Toolboss. Toolboss has done, I believe, a review and comparison between these 2 Dewalt knives. These 2 guys right here, and I think he's compared them also with a bunch of Milwaukee knives. But I will give my points of view and opinions down the road. So stay tuned if you guys want to see that. I don't know when that will be. It'll probably be at least a year from now. I don't do like 6-month reviews or anything like that. I usually use it for a year or a couple years. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me on the channel today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description, I also have a Ulsa Tools link. You guys want to go check that out, you guys can click on that link. It has my initials on it. It will save you guys 10% off on your order at Ulsa Tools. If you guys need organizational stuff for your toolbox, or you guys need some small hand tools, I love a lot of their organization stuff. I've been sticking with them for my toolbox organization because it's working for me. But the other nice thing is if you guys use that link, it also kicks me back availability of getting 10% on my next purchase at Ulsa Tools, which helps me, helps you guys, and it saves you guys some money. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching this far, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!